Next up, Prisoner 23-4, Artisan. In this, we need to retrieve information about the prisoner and report back. This is super simple, though the area we're going to is relatively dangerous. It is the bunker YBL1 all the way in the far southwest side of the map down here. Zooming in, we need to head all the way up to the top center, roughly about here. So, just up the hill, there's a building over there that we need to get to. There's tons of AI in the area, so you'll need to clear them out first before you can even think about pushing in, never mind up. After finding your way all the way up to the top, we'll be pushing into this building over here, just to the west. Keep in mind there'll be more AI up as well. Navigate your way into this building all the way over here. So in these double doors, then inside of here, you'll need to look all the way at the table over here where you'll see a file you need to pick up, the prisoner info folder. Just keep in mind that this file may spawn in a slightly different location, but it should be on one of these desks, if not exactly right here. And when you have it, you can return back to base as you pretty much finished your mission. So hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.